Okay, so first of all, let me explain what I'm going to explain in this session. So this webinar is going to do market analysis in a multiple time frame analysis on a forex and stock and crypto market analysis in a different time frame. And first of all, I will start from the major currency pair like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Bitcoin, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other requested pair. And once I finish the all thing, then I will start a question answer session. Right. So first of all, I'm going to start from the one by one. So start from the higher, like mostly trade is our Euro USD. Okay. Okay. So let's start from the Euro USD first because Euro USD is the most tradable pair, right? So let's check here what happening here in a higher time frame and lower time frame, and then what we can expect here. Look at this one. First of all, start from the daily time frame structure. What happening here in a daily time frame structure, and what are you looking right now here? So as you can see here, the market momentum was bullish and now again turned into bearish. So right now, the what happening at this point, market taking some consolidation and market planning for the reversal to the upside or reversal for the continuation downside like here. So this is our previous structure here. Everything was bearish at this point right here. And this is our larger structure right here. Okay, so what we can expect? We can expect that price can continue to push a downside like this one. If price create something like this, then where is our next PY in a higher time frame? And even we can expect some bullishness and bearishness in this scenario. Look at this one. This is our previous structure, which was broken here. And after broken this structure, market taken out the inducement and then market went down because this one is our first area when we are looking, anticipating that market can continue to go higher because this high is a broken, taken out this pullback is here, market mitigate here, and we are expecting some continuation move to the higher, but market not able to go higher. Market just like it take a pullback, give a small action and then failed this PI mitigation, and this is a called Philip, demand convert into supply, market broke this low. And again, what happened here? This structure is already broke by this one, and this one is a called, you can say, like break of the structure because market momentum is showing bearish. That's why, okay, because everything is a bearish here. We are starting from top of the move because price pushing downside at this point, top of the move to bottom of the move. So price continue pushing downside, and we are looking here for the like continuation move to the downside. So firstly, you need to understand that if market momentum is a bullish and bearish, always you need to wait for it to taken out the inducement before the buy or sell. So this is our inducement, which is already taken out at this point. So once price taken out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, create any lower time frame confirmation, then we can plan here for the sell. So this is our daily time frame structure. If market create here 2 hour time frame structure like chalk, and then we can plan here for the sell. Okay. So in this scenario, where is our next possible scene is here? Look at this one. This is our higher time frame inducement taken out. Let's check here like lower time frame structure, 2 hour time frame. If market create here any chalk or flip, then we can expect that market looking for the reversal to the downside. So this is a high, so taken out, and after taking out this high, price or break the previous low, which one is here. It means the structure is like shifted bullish to bearish here, and this is our chalk here, right? So once market create like this chalk here, then we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. Higher time frame inducement taken out, but we need lower time frame inducement as well as before the sell here, right? So in this case, where is our inducement? Look at this one. This high is a broken here. In a first attempt, just sweep this one. Okay. So if price sweep this one, in that scenario, we can also sell here because we need like a violent inducement, which was created at this point. And after taking out the inducement, we can plan here for the sell at this point right here. Okay. Price type here and sell because just for it there is no immediate order block is here, everything is mitigated here. So this is area plan here for this sell. Again, price trying to go higher, and this time market not create here any kind of inducement. So what happens generally, price must be taken out this one because this high act like an inducement because this inducement transfer here to here, and we can again looking here for the sell at this point, taken out this inducement and create here any like bearish indication at this point in a lower time frame, we can plan here for the sell. Otherwise, if price continue pushing higher, we need to wait for it some strong confirmation like structure shifting, like market structure shifting, taking out the inducement, and we can again plan here for the sell till this low, right? So this is a short-term move when we can expect that price must be taken out this high, which is already taken out, and market taken out this one, and we need to switch here in a lower time frame. Then we can plan here for the sell. At least market create a lower time frame structure like 15-minute or chalk and bearish structure. With then we can plan here for the sell. Let me explain here in a 15-minute time frame. Look at this structure here as well as this inducement taken out in a 2-hour time frame. So in a 2-hour time frame, market taken out the inducement, and we are looking here for the sell right now. So in this situation, you can see here the previous low is a broken, taken out the inducement, and then we can expect our downside move right here. Okay, simple is here. If market momentum is a bearish, look at this structure here. Okay, and taken out the previous high means liquidity is a grab here, and then we can plan here at the sell. Again, if market take a pullback, mitigate this zone, we can again sell here. So this is a very simple way to identify our inducement and liquidity. If market momentum is a bullish and creating higher high, and market taken out the previous low, then we can plan here for the buy like this one, and then again we can expect some continuation move to the higher like this one. So this is a possible scenario here in a like bullish market and bearish market right here. So if market momentum is a bullish and bearish, we can plan here for the sell like this one. Overall structure looks like bearish in a different time frame like daily and 2-hour and 15-minute time frame as well as here. But we need some strong confirmation before the sell, like this inducement must be taken out, and after taking out the inducement, we can plan here for the sell, right? Once price mitigate this, order flow is here like this one, and then we can plan here for the sell till this low, right? So I hope clear that what happening here in a Euro USD. Let's check a different pair is a GBP USD. So this is our GBP USD chart. Let's check here a different picture here. Start from the 1-hour time frame. Then I will show you a 50-minute time frame. In a 1-hour time frame, what happening here? Look at this structure here. Everything is a bullish here based on 1-hour time frame. If market momentum is a bullish and everything is a bullish, simply in that scenario, what happening here? If market momentum is a bullish, market taken out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, what are you looking here? Simply you need to wait for it to mitigate your unmitigated order flow. So where is our unmitigated order flow in that scenario? You can see multiple order flow is applicable here. Look at this one. This is our last selling move before the buy is here, and this is also last selling move before the buy is here, and this one is also last selling move before the buy is here. This one is area where we can expect that if price step here and we can go higher. This one is a called decisional PY. Price step here, give small reaction and fail. It means price not able to hold this one. In that scenario, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here for the sell like the previous high is a sweep, push downside and take a pullback, and we can plan here for the sell at this point right here. Why? Because this PY is a give reaction and fail. It means this PY is not able to hold this one because we have one more extreme PY on the bottom of the move is here. Why this is a PY? Because this PY is available. This already grabbed the liquidity. That's why this area become more high probability for the buy to the upside right here. Okay. So we can expect that if price tap here, then we can plan here for the buy to the upside like this one. So this is a sell setup here till this PA indication. And after our tap this one, we are looking here for the buy to the upside. Once price are taken out the inducement, which is already taken out at this point. So once price taken out this inducement, and then we are looking for the buy to the upside. So this area taken out the inducement, and this point we can plan here for the buy. Again, what are you looking here? This is the last selling move before the buy is here. So once price take a pullback to mitigate this zone, which is type here, and we can expect some continuation move to the higher. So overall, based on 1-hour time frame, GPU still looks bullish here, and everything is a bullish here because overall direction is a bullish here, which is creating higher high in this scenario. Okay, so now this is our overall structure in a GBP USD based on 1 hour time frame. Let's take a 50-minute time frame. What happening here? And after that, we can expect what happening here. In a 50-minute time frame, structure also looks bullish here. Everything is a bullish here. This is our area which taken out the liquidity, going higher high, mitigation, and again going higher high. And this zone already grabbed the liquidity and also in a 50-minute time frame. So if market grab the liquidity, and then we can plan here for the buy on this unmetered order flow is here. In that case, we don't need to wait for like inducement before the buy here, because this area grab the liquidity, taken out mitigation this one, and then go higher if market actually looking for the reversal in a downside. So this is a buy side scenario here, because everything is a bullish here. You need to think in a both side probability. Look at this one. So what we can expect here if market technically looking for the reversal in a downside? So how we can expect? Simply price step here, give a small reaction to the higher. But what happened here after this one? Price pushing downside and then break this low. It means this demand zone like this area failed. Okay, so this zone is a failed. It means this area is not able to hold the situation. And if price came back downside like this one, and again price go higher, and we can plan here for the sell. This high act like a inducement, and this entire zone act like a PY is here, right? So we can expect that if price type here, we can plan here for the sell till the main low. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP USD for the buy side and sell side. Right now, what happening here? Overall, this is a bullish structure here. Right now, you need to wait for it, like some bullish confirmation to mitigation the this order flow is here, because this one is the last selling move before the buy is here. So once price type here, we can plan here for the buy in a lower time frame confirmation. Price type here, you need to wait for it 1 minute time frame confirmation, then we can plan here for the buy. Otherwise, you need to wait for it to break the main low, and then we can plan here for this sell. So this is happening here in a GBP USD in a 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame. Let's check a different pair is a gold. Start from the higher time frame is here in a gold. Let's start from the 1 hour time frame. What happening here? In 1 hour time frame, you can see here before this move, market momentum was completely bullish. Everything was bullish here. And after this bullish move here, and this one is a create all-time new high is here again and break the previous high, which was here, right? So once market broke this high like this one and create new all-time high is here, and then what are you looking here? Simply, we are expecting that if market creating like downside move here and taken out the inducement, we can plan here for the sell. Break this low, mean the structure is a shift here. This low is a broken, pushing downside. And we are expecting that if market taken out the inducement, then we can plan here for the sell. But price not taking out this inducement and just pushing downside. And we need to wait for it to taken out the inducement before the sell here. So this was bullish structure here for the short term right here. Again, market shifted here, break the structure, taking out the inducement and mitigate the extreme PY is here. We can plan here for the sell till this low. This one is just sweep this low. We can expect some reversal to the upside to mitigate this zone is here. So once price tap here, we can again plan here for the sell in this gold based on 1 hour time frame, because market already grab the liquidity. So once market taken out the liquidity and price tap on that point which taken out the liquidity, so you will get a very highly chances you will get some continuation move to the upside and downside. So same thing happening here. This area like grab the liquidity. So once market grab the liquidity, it means this become our high probability zone for the sell, right? The last buying momentum before the sell is here, right? So you need to wait for it to taken out this pullback is here, right? Taking out this pullback and mitigate this zone is here. Let me mark this one. This is the zone, and this is a pullback. Price step here, go higher to mitigate this zone. And you need to switch here in a lower time frame, like 5-minute chalk flip, and then we can plan here for the sell again here in a 5-minute time frame. Because overall direction is bearish here. This low is a broken, push downside, and market creating liquidity. And this is a liquidity. So once market taken out the liquidity, you need to wait for it to mitigate unmetered order flow and order block. Then we can plan here for the sell at this point right here. So this is exactly happening here in a gold in a 1 hour time frame. Let's check here in a 15-minute time frame what happening here. Then we can expect. Let's check a 15-minute time frame again. in a 15-minute time frame, you can see the overall structure. This was a bullish move here and now turned into bearish. And this is our last order flow is here based on 1 hour time frame. So very highly chances market must be taken out this high. And once market taken out this high, then we can plan here for the sell. And also market see the previous low is here. So if market see the main higher low in a higher time frame, then market gives a pullback to the upside and downside for the short term, right? So we can see some continuation move to the upside like this one, and then price go higher to mitigate this order flow is here. And then we can plan here for the sell like this one, right? And this low must be your target at least, right? So this is a possible scenario in a gold in a 50-minute time frame. Overall, the direction is a bearish, and you need to wait for it to mitigate your extreme. Like this order flow itself is taken out the liquidity, and once price tap on the order flow and create here lower time frame confirmation, then we can sell. And this is a 50-minute time frame, and you need to wait for it 15-minute chalk clip, and then we can sell. That's it, simply, right? So let's check another one is here BTC USDT, and after that I will do Bank Nifty. Let's start from the daily time frame first. What happening here? In a daily time frame structure, you can see the market momentum is overall a bit bullish here, and everything is a bullish here. So if everything is a bullish and market creating higher high, so when we can expect where is our next buying and selling zone here? This is our inducement which is already taken out. So once market taken out the inducement, we can plan here for the buy. So where is our unmetered order flow? This one, the last selling move before the buy is here. So once price type here, we can plan here for the buy to the upside right here. Okay. So this is a zone when we can expect that price can go higher. But right now, what happening here in this scenario? The market momentum is a bullish here, and before this bullish momentum, now market turned into bearish, something like this. So it means when market creating lower lows like this one and taking out the liquidity, which was here, right? So if market push downside, right, you don't need to sell at this point because market taking some consolidation and market can continue go higher. Like, so you need to wait for it, like some chalk confirmation like here and take a pullback, again go higher, then we can plan here for the sell, and this area become more high probability for the sell, right? Right now, you don't need to like sell here. You need to wait for it, some clear confirmation before the buy and sell, right? So what is the next possible scenario? This is a sell side possible scenario, and when we can expect next buying opportunity here. Look at the structure here. This low must be taken out, and after taking out this low, because this act like an inducement, because this indication that market looking for the reversal to the upside, and this is the last selling move before the buy is here. So once price type here, then we can expect like price type here, keep a small reaction to the higher. If market is successfully going higher high, then we can see some continuation move to the higher in a Bitcoin, and we can see some next rally to the upside to break the previous all-time high. Otherwise, if price give a small reaction at this point, and then what happened? Market failed. So in that scenario, we can see very bad move in our Bitcoin in upcoming months and week, right? Because this high grabbed the liquidity and market came back to the upside to mitigate this zone, because this zone already grabbed the liquidity. So we can see some bearish indication in our Bitcoin, right? So these two possible scenario, and this zone is a very important before the buy and sell. You need to watch very carefully when price hit this zone right here. Okay. So the proper imbalance is here. Liquidities are taken out, and this will become high probability for the buyers and sellers, right? Let's check a 4-hour time frame. There is any clear opportunity here in a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is a similar thing is here. There is no clear structure in a 4-hour time frame. Market must be taken out this inducement, and after taking out the inducement, we can plan here for the buy at this point. This is a liquidity taken out. And once market taken out the liquidity, and that zone become our like this one. The last selling move before the buy is here. Break this one, came back this point, and then we can plan here for the buy. But before this buy, if market create here any short-term sell opportunity till this PY mitigation, we can take entry here for the like previous high sweep here. We can plan here for the sell, previous low, short-term buy sell. So this is happening here because market creating a counter trend, and the buy and sell right here. Okay, so let's see. And the next one is here, the bank Nifty. What happening here in a bank Nifty? Let's check one by one. This is our bank Nifty chart here. And what are you looking here? Simply market creating higher high is here. Let's check one by one. Now you can understand. Let's check our daily time frame first. Daily time frame structure is showing bullish here. Everything is a bullish here. So what are you looking here? Simply, you can see the market momentum is a bullish. So if market momentum like creating higher high like this one right here, and then taking out the previous low and again go higher. So it means again price came back at this point. We can expect continuation move to the higher. And same thing applicable in a bearish market. If market momentum is a bearish and taken out the previous high, then market came back downside and mitigate those points, then we can expect those are like strong zone for the sell, like this one, like previous high is a taken out, push downside, mitigate this zone, and we can expect sell side move right here. Okay, because this zone become high probability, which is already taken out the liquidity, right? So right now, what happening here in a bank Nifty based on daily time frame, the structure is a bullish here. Look at the structure at this point. This is happening here. This zone like taking out the inducement type here and trying to go higher. So what we can expect here, press break this one, push downside, taking out the inducement, mitigate this point because this inducement is all, this zone already grabbed the liquidity, pushing higher high, and now still if price came back this point like this one, we can again go higher, right? Something like this in a based on daily time frame structure. Okay, so market is still showing bullish momentum here. There is no bearish indication right now in a bank Nifty. Okay, so if price came back this point, we can expect like this move right here. Okay, and also if market looking for the like bearish momentum here, so what is the like scenario in this scenario in the situation? Let me explain in a lower time frame. This is a daily time frame, and mark the PY, which one is here, and let's check a 50-minute time frame again. In a 50-minute time frame, this is a zone when we can expect this is a daily time frame, but based on 15-minute time frame, market just sweeping the previous high is here. Look at this one. In a lower time frame, structure is not good here for the buy because market just sweeping the previous high means they're collecting more liquidity before a push downside, and these thing happening when price looking for the reversal in a downside. So when market creating like sweeping the previous high or high, it means market just creating more liquidity to mitigation something here, and then we can expect a downside move right here. Once price mitigate at this point, and then we can expect some continuation. Otherwise, if price or like break this low, take it after pullback, take it this low, then we can see very like bad move in a downside, right? So this is a possible scenario right here in a bank Nifty, but in a lower time frame, bank Nifty is not good for the bias. But in a higher time frame, market overall looks bullish here and looks bullish, strong bullish. But in a 15-minute time frame, this is a not good indication for the buy because market just sweeping the previous high or high, which is means the market trying to taken out the liquidity. So if market taken out the liquidity like first time, second, third, and fourth, means the market grabbing the liquidity. So this thing happening here, so we can expect that market can push more downside, and once market push downside, and then we can expect a fall till this point right here. Means this is our daily time frame. PY is here. So once price type here, then we can expect or like continuation. Otherwise, if fail to hold this zone, then we can see very bad momentum in a downside. So this is a possible scenario in a bank Nifty based on 50-minute time frame. Let's check a Nifty, a 50-minute time frame. In a 50-minute time frame, Nifty is also showing bearish, and this is a lower time frames, a bearish indication. Let's check out daily time frame first. What happening here? In a daily time frame structure, at this point, market momentum is a bullish here, creating higher high, right here. The previous highs, taken out this low, mitigate this zone, continue go higher high, break this one, close of it, and now you need to wait for it. This low is a taken out, push downside. This area is already grabbed the liquidity. This one is already grabbed the liquidity. It means everything is a taken out the liquidity. So very highly chances market can get a pullback in a downside, because this one only zone when market can sustain. That's why price trying to hold this point right here. So if price hold this point, so we can see some bullishness. Otherwise, if this low like this zone is a failed, then we can see strong momentum or downside right here in a Nifty, because in a lower time frame there is no good indication. Higher time frame is a structure is a bullish, but in a lower time frame there is no like good indication in a Nifty and bank Nifty right here. And price trying to hold this zone. If price are not able to hold this zone, we are we can see very bad momentum in a Nifty also here, because look at the structure here. The bearish structure here, bearish lower lows, and finally break this one. And what is this? This is a liquidity, because everyone trying to sell on every pullback. So this move happening like this time, and maybe market can go higher, one more pullback to mitigation this one. And if price came back this point, so this is a not good, because this low is a broken and this area become our high probability zone for the another pullback and then plan for the sell, right? That's why right now we can see some like one more pullback to the upside to mitigate this zone, but this still there is no clear indication for the buy right here. Okay, so right now you don't need to buy or sell in a Nifty and bank Nifty. There is no clear indication before the buy or sell. Higher time frame looks bullish here, right? But in a lower time frame there is no bullishness, and market just trying to like reversal in a downside. Okay, so if higher time frame is a bullish and lower time frame also bullish, in that case you can take risks on that point. Okay, but when market momentum is a bullish in a higher time frame and lower time frames are showing bearish, so this is a not good indication. And same thing applicable in a bearish market. If higher time frame is a bearish and lower time frame showing bullish, it means the lower time frame inducement taken out before a push downside. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here, and you need to wait for it to clear buy and sell. And due to election, maybe you can see very high like volatility in upcoming month. Okay, so I will suggest you take some rest and watch the price action, and you don't need to buy or sell immediately in a FOMO, because this can be manipulated anytime during election. On a election is a very big event, so you need to wait for it. Okay, so once price give a clear indication before the buy or sell, in that point you can take risk for the buy or sell, otherwise no. Okay, okay, so this is enough for the weekly webinar, and I cover everything in a detail, all your mainly questions, sorry, main pairs. And now let's read your question answer one by one. Okay, and there is no more analysis, everyone. XAUSD I already done, so you can watch again. I already have done. There is no more analysis, please, because I already cover major currency pair. So इंड्यूसमेंट में कौन सा पुल बैक? इंड्यूसमेंट में फर्स्ट पुल बैक लेते हैं आफ्टर स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक. फर्स्ट पुल बैक जो भी होता है उसको लेते हैं. लाइक जैसे यहाँ पे अगर आप नोटिस करोगे, ये एक एक्चुअल पुल बैक है. इससे पहले भी आप देखो स्मॉल है, बट ये मेन पुल बैक है राइट है. सो वी कैन यूज दिस वन एज अ इंड्यूसमेंट. ओके, how to detect if this a fake PUI? Sir, you need to simply identify a specific zone which taken out the liquidity. If market taken out the liquidity, in that case, you need to wait for it to mitigate those zone, and then you can buy or sell. You can take risk for the buy or sell on that point. Please reveal your entry, exit, lower time frame type. Lower time frame entry, exit, I already cover. In the previous video, I already upload on a video YouTube, so you can watch them. 125 fake chalk. Fake chalk means the first pullback is called fake chalk, which we call an inducement. That's it. And also you can mark as the fish taken out the previous high or low. That you can also mark as a fake chalk. Like if market momentum is a bullish here, right? And then go higher and break this one, and this one just sweep here. So you don't need to mark the real. This one is a, like, you can mark as a fake. Otherwise, this is just liquidity sweep, right? And if market is a bearish and break the first high, this one is a called fake chalk because this is the inducement. सर लाइव लोअर टाइम फ्रेम इंडेक्समेंट क्यों नहीं लेते? लोअर टाइम फ्रेम इंडेक्समेंट लेते हैं, बिल्कुल लेते हैं। इंड्यूसमेंट लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में जब नहीं लेंगे जब लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में स्वीप होगा, राइट? व्हेन प्राइस स्टेप ऑन हायर टाइम फ्रेम PY, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपन, प्राइस पुशिंग अपसाइड लोअर टाइम फ्रेम, और ये हाई जब स्वीप होगा, स्वीप होने के बाद अगर ब्रेक करेगा ये चौक, इंड्यूसमेंट की जरूरत ही नहीं, आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे प्लान कर सकते हो फॉर सेल, राइट? अगर इंड्यूसमेंट बन रहा है नहीं बन रहा है तभी आप ले सकते हो, क्योंकि स्वीप कर चुका है ऑलरेडी, लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब हो चुकी है यहाँ पे, इसलिए अगर क्लोजिंग होगा तो उस केस में इंड्यूसमेंट चाहिए जरूरी। Please upload this webinar on YouTube. I joined a bit late. Yes, I will upload on Zoom, on YouTube as soon as possible. Once I finish this one, please check a goal on daily time frame. Daily time frame, there is no clear like good indication. I already cover in a 1 hour and 50-minute time frame. Please check gold 1 hour. 1 hour I already done. So please, you can check later. BTC is already done. Please, some supply and demand, not part of SMC, please. No, sir. SMC and supply or demand means support resistance. You can say those are different part. Okay. SMC based on inducement and liquidity. Simply. What we can do if candle close below PY? If price close below PY, in that case, those PY is a fail. If sweep the PY, then you can also mark as a valid. How do you mark when you have two PY, too many PY? Sir, simply first PY is called decisional, and the next one on bottom of the is called extreme PY. So simply you need to take reaction, just taken out the liquidity. Like for example, if market momentum is a bearish like this one, right? And if market momentum is a bearish and market taken out the liquidity like this one, okay? And then what happened here? Market pushing downside right here, break this structure here, and this is called lower lows, and this is a break of structure, taken out the inducement. First here is a call, this is a decisional, and the extreme one is here. Okay, so once price tap here, give reaction lower time frame, and we can plan here for sell. If no, then you need to wait for it, tap on extreme and give any lower time frame confirmation, then we can plan here for the sell. Simple. On a 15 time frame gold, I think I have taken out the inducement. Can we sell? Sir, I already covered the gold in a detail, so you can watch them. Simply in a 15-minute time frame is a swing bearish. market just sweep the previous low and we can see some pullback to the upside. To tap on 1 hour and 15-minute PY, if price tap them, then we can plan for the sell after lower time frame confirmation. Please check gold 1 hour. Sir, gold 1 hour and 15-minute I already cover. So once I finish the webinar, I will upload on YouTube. You can watch later anytime. फोर पॉइंट ओ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. आप बताएं कि मैं क्या करूँ उसके लिए. 4.0 I make a very simple concept which is based on price action, and those are suitable if not able to understand smart money concept. In that case, you can use 4.0, which is make a very simple and make a very few concept. That's it. You don't need to make it very complex. I make a very few like chapter, like 5 to 6 chapter, which is enough, right? So you can study them and you can apply on it. Simple. Okay, but in a smart money concept, you can see a lot of things and it details one by one. If candle close taken out the inducement, okay, and it's possible to go more downside. Not understand, please. If candle close when taken out inducement, it's possible to go more downside. Service style, like it depend on structure or like direction, bullish or bearish. If market taken out the inducement, and then market can more downside to mitigate your unmitigated order flow and order block. There is not necessary that market just sweep the inducement and push downside on upside every time. No, price after taking out the inducement can mitigate your unmitigated order flow. So price can be go more little bit downside and upside after taking out the inducement. Okay, so everyone, now I'm going to finish the webinar, and if someone late to join, so you can watch later anytime, and I will upload this webinar on YouTube as soon as possible. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice great weekend.